mighty Hercules. No one suspects the innocent-looking cloud drifting toward the arsenal of King Zeus. Ill-gotten prize, the dread Thunderbolt disc of Zeus, the intruder returns to Earth, there to wreak new havoc and destruction.
Everyone, that Daedalus now possesses the power to hurl Thunderbolts.
Later, at the crystal rock of Daedalus, the seer of Mount Olympus.
Behold, Hercules, King Zeus will be enraged when he learns that his Thunderbolt disc has been stolen.
Don't worry, Daedalus. I'll have the disc back before Zeus even knows it's gone. And so the mighty Hercules hastens to pit his great strength against the new powers of the evil wizard. Newton!
That's me!
Where's Daedalus?
Suffering, hiking. There he is now!
I know what you've come for, Hercules. Here it is.
Thunderbolt set off that volcano.
The villagers in the valley, they'll be wrecked.
Must seal it up, Newton. If I can. Newton.
You have stopped the volcano, Hercules. But you haven't stopped me.
Hurt! I got the disc!
Join us at his side, standing there with pride. Victory is here, raise a mighty